What every woman needs to know about menopause symptoms and doctor visits. Menopause is a natural phase in a woman's life, marked by the ceasing of menstruation. It typically starts in the late 40s or early 50s, and its signs and symptoms can range from mild to severe. Menopause occurs when the ovaries stop producing eggs and as a result, cause the estrogen and progesterone levels to fluctuate. These hormonal changes can cause a wide range of symptoms. The symptoms of menopause can vary for every woman and range from mild to severe. These symptoms may include hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, vaginal dryness, and difficulty sleeping. Women may also experience vaginal discomfort, urinary issues, and decreased libido. Physical changes during menopause include changes in bone density, weight gain, hair loss, and skin changes. Emotional and cognitive symptoms include anxiety and depression, memory lapses and concentration issues, and mood disorders. As women approach menopause, it's important to prepare for visits to the doctor. Journal your symptoms like common symptoms, physical symptoms, and cognitive symptoms. It's important to find a doctor who specializes in women's health to answer any questions or concerns you may have. Openly discuss the issues you are facing, however, do remember that lifestyle changes can help manage symptoms in the long run. Some women may opt for medications, hormone therapy, or alternative remedies. Before making any decisions, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of each option with your doctor. There might be some tests required, which includes mammograms, pelvic exams, and bone density tests. These checkups help doctors detect any health issues early on, making it easier to manage them. We hope that this video has helped you understand what every woman needs to know about menopause symptoms and doctor visits. This natural biological phase may bring about some discomfort, but with the right medical care and preparation, women can manage their symptoms effectively. Thank you for watching.